everybody. Just hanging out here at Laura and Mike's Songbird Ranch, Bridesville, BC. Pretty nice, eh? We've got chickens and geese and horses. They have a beautiful guest cabin over there. This place is just unbelievable. You want to come skiing? Ski resort, 12 minutes up the road. It's unbelievable, I tell you. Come on down though, I'll show you. They've got snowshoe trails in the winter time. They have bird watching in the summer. I don't know, I think she told me there was over 100 different species of birds they found here so far. They've been logging them. Come on back. And we have been so lucky. They do a lot of their own cooking here for their business. And Mike makes I forget.
It's a smoked mustard.
Smoked mustard, it's
yeah.
Delicious. And we've got a little bit of Mike's rub here. I find that funny. This is where we've been parked for the last 2 nights. And you get to see what we've been looking at. We got to sit here the other day, and there was a deer walking by. Supposedly moose used to walk down the driveway before they made some changes. Oh, got the horses in, I think. But isn't this lovely, eh? We did some walking back there. Got to see a deer back there as well. And then, of course, the beautiful house.
And that's Barney. Not bad at all.
We'll see you at the next stop.